back to my channel and welcome to another Halloween tutorial. So this one is a little bit different. I decided to do a plastic surgery gone wrong tutorial. I hope you guys liked how it turned out. This is probably the easiest costume to do ever, and it's so affordable. I use just a lot of really inexpensive products, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep watching. Hi guys, so we're going to start off with the glam side of this look. So I have already applied foundation as well as eyeshadow primer, and I'm taking a light neutral brown and just buffing that right into the crease as our transition shade. And then I went in with a medium tone brown, and I'm putting that over top in the crease as well as on our lower lash line. Then I went in with a dark brown, and we're adding that right on the outer corners to make our eyes look really cat-like and defined and dark and smoky and all that kind of great stuff. So and then we're gonna buff it out. So I went ahead and I did my liner off camera as well as my brows. I do that every video, so I felt like it kind of got repetitive. So now I'm just buffing that liner out with some black eyeshadow because I really wanted it to look super soft and smoky and just dark and all that kind of stuff. So I also blended the liner into the crease, and I really feel like that helped to bring it all together. Okay, so we're going to start with the procedure part of the tutorial. So I'm just adding little black lines kind of anywhere where you would see like the typical plastic surgery procedures done. So I gave myself like a little brow lift, we did a nose job, we did some eye work, we did everything. You can really have fun with this though. Just add lines and arrows wherever you want. It's also nice to have a reference photo, so you can go to Pinterest or Google for that. But yeah, so just have fun with it and do whatever you want. It's makeup, so it's your choice, and it washes off at the end of the day, so that's fun. I also decided to go on my collarbone and my neck, but you can do wherever. You can even do your whole body if you wanted to. Okay, so you can leave it like that, or you can add some gore like I always like to. So I'm just taking some liquid latex that I got for like $3 at Walmart, and I'm just putting this in some of the areas that we would have had like a procedure done. And you can again use your imagination, do this wherever you'd like to. And I added about 3 layers of liquid latex and let that dry. So then we're making an incision in the middle of our latex and kind of pulling it apart to make it look like a wound. If you're using scissors, please be careful and take your time trying to get this latex to kind of rip apart. So now we're going to start like shading it. So I went in with a bright red and just an eyeshadow brush. You can use your fingers if you would like to. And I'm just putting this in the middle of our wound as well as on the outside, and I'm blending the outside with my finger just to make it look more natural and irritated. Okay, so for the second color, I went in with a dark red color, red shade, face paint, whatever, kind of like a blood red, and I'm putting that in the wound as well as on the outside just to add some more shading and make it look like our wound is 3-dimensional instead of just like flat one shade. And then I also went in with a little bit of black. You want to be sparing with this, don't go overboard, but I just added a tiny bit of black like on the outside of our wounds to again make it look a little bit more 3-dimensional. Then I added a little bit of dark purple eyeshadow and just put that right around the wounds to make it look like our skin is a little bit more bruised. And then I blended that out as well. So I'm using a little bit of fake blood. I got this for 99 cents at Walgreens. And I am just putting that all in the wounds, and you can go crazy with this. You can put this everywhere. You can just do as little or as much as you would like. and you're pretty much done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was so easy. And of course, as always, more Halloween tutorials to come. I love you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.